Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this blue glittery halo smoky eye sort of thing, keep watching. All the products I use will be listed in the description bar below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that because I'm great and you're great, so let's be great together. Okay, keep watching. Okay, first things first, I'm going to start with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go in with this blue shade and tap it some into the white. And I'm going to start with just putting that up into my crease. Tap into that white again and go into this deeper navy blue shade. Start blending that into my crease to deepen it up a little more. Half this tutorial is basically just blending. Like, that's the biggest key, guys, is to keep on blending. As soon as you think you're done, blend for like 30 more seconds, honestly. Make it nice and smoky. Now that we have that, I'm gonna go in with the flat concealer brush and use some concealer. And I'm gonna put this in my eyes, in the outer corners of my eyes. Almost like the opposite of a halo. And just apply that there, so that the shadow we put on next will be very opaque. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and the Juvia's Place Magic palette right here. As you can see, it's very beautiful. I'm gonna go in with these bottom two shades, mix those together, place them in the outer corner, just where I put that concealer. And you see it like goes on very dark and opaque. That's all due to the concealer. Okay. Going back in with that flat concealer brush, we're gonna cut our crease. Ooh, that's a little higher than I want it, but it's okay. Go straight down. Gonna go with a different flat brush and back into the Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna mix these two awesome shades. They're like silvery. They're beautiful. Gonna apply that all over where I put that concealer. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. That's just gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. Now I'm going in with this, oh shoot, NYX glitter primer. Gonna place that on my hand. And gonna place that in the middle and wherever you want to apply your glitter. Then I'm going to take this icy white glitter. You can't really see it well, but it has like blue greenish reflex. Very pretty. And now I want to go back over this part to make it more blue. And honestly, this look really isn't complete until you add lashes. That's gonna make this look pop. Gonna take it, just blow on it. Gotta let it dry. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Just gotta pop these things into place. We're just gonna pull, what am I doing? I'm gonna pull the shadow down onto the bottom. I'm just gonna connect it with a pencil brush. Get it all nice and smoky, beautiful, beautiful. You can go back in that Fix Plus and one of those silver shades, and I'm gonna apply it. Bling. Now I can dust off this powder that's been sitting here, and along with it I'm dusting off all that shadow that fell out. Go on with mascara. How am I looking? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna go on with contour. Just to start acting like I have cheekbones and not like I've been eating so much. And I'm gonna go in with Blunt from MAC, this blush. Tap off that excess. See? It's just like a nice addition. It's not too much. Wow. Don't even have my glow. I don't have my glow sisters. Okay. I'm back with the glow. Going in with Fire from this Morphe palette. This one is really beautiful. I mean, it's not Morphe, it's Tarte. They're kind of canceled because they are not inclusive, but this is what my highlight says. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Come on, like, how can you not? How can you not, like, enjoy that? And, ooh, just doing something for me. I was gonna go with, like, a nude lip, because it's, like, a very dramatic eye, but let's just be extra today. I'm going with the dark blue. And this is Clapback by Miss Riri, Fenty Beauty, you know. Happy 30th to her, you know. She's doing her thing out in the world. Just going with the lip gloss instead. Okay guys, that's the finished look. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to me. Subscribe. Don't be a hater. Subscribing is free, okay? Why not? I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Just subscribe, okay? I love you. Bye. You thought I was going right. You're crazy.